So going to an introduction to XIPI, basically as you might already know from a previous presentation and discussion with the use case project that we had in the past. So basically it's a repository that collects information about infrastructure that can be used as enabler for future internet trials. So one of the main purposes of this work is actually to support people who want to experiment future Internet to find infrastructure where they can deploy their applications. So far this is the most wide effort ever done to catalog this type of infrastructure. As you might have known if you followed the statistics on the survey till the 16th evening, that was the 16 midnight, the day that we closed the survey, we were able to collect, the first version of the survey, we were able to collect 122 infrastructure. All of them have been transferred, all their data have been transferred to the XIPI, but at the moment you will be able to see around 40 of them because the infrastructure owner didn't yet make the other public. So this might be just a matter of few days. We will send reminders and so on, and they will possibly make also more infrastructure publicly available for you to gather information. So I will quickly show you some slides that present basically some elements of the repository, and then we will go to the actual demo of the repository to understand together how it works. So when you log in, the first thing you see is, of course, the home page. We have on top a navigation menu that brings you to the different sections. You have an interactive map, and you have a list of the updates and also that also connect to RSS feed, and this basically enable you to use your feed reader to be constantly updated about the last changes on top of infrastructure or new registrations. So basically the website at the moment offers 5 sections. So the homepage section that we have already seen together, an infrastructure browsing and find section, a section where you will find some reports about the data collected, a section where you will be able to see what are the users registered in the XIPI community, and a section that provides some information for user support. So I will demo later. Basically the navigation map is interactive, so you can zoom in, you can move over infrastructure pinpoints, and gather an overview of what are the a summary of what are the characteristics of the selected infrastructure. As I already told you, basically you have also information on the updates that have been made on the infrastructure or on the new registration. The plus that you see here means that this is a new infrastructure registered, while the circular arrow means that it was the infrastructure was updated. Of course, you have also search functionality that basically enable you to apply different search criteria. We will detail them later during the demo and support you to find specific infrastructure that then are shown over the map and in a list of results. So, okay, you have different category of search criteria, and then you can apply, select, and basically provide the show the results. And when the results are shown, you will notice also that the list contains some quick information like, okay, the name of the structure, the country where the headquarters is located, and also feedback by a user that rated the infrastructure. Of course, the rating is only enabled for registered users to the web repository. Also, we have a visual catalog of the infrastructures that basically enable you to browse through the summary of the infrastructure very quickly and then pick up one and go to the infrastructure information. The infrastructure information is divided in different sections. So you have an overall description that presents a short textual description of the infrastructure, provide you possibility to access to the website, the logo if they publish the logo, and share to Facebook and Twitter the link to the infrastructure description. And then there is an area that enables you to navigate through detailed infrastructure. So here you have again as first tab the overview of the infrastructure, and then you can access to details that are basically a breakdown of the data model used to survey the overall infrastructures that we interviewed for the Infinity project. And of course, the information collected presented here reflect this data model. So you have a breakdown in different hierarchical information pieces that you can navigate. And then on the left side, you will see the corresponding detailed information. This is an example on how you can basically open up the menu. Now I will move to